Hello, so welcome to the first tutorial, and this tutorial will be on opening a CAD file and saving it. Straight away, I've opened up a CAD file. This can be a template CAD file, or just clicking on your ArchiCAD symbol on your desktop. It'll open up, and straight away you can see in the top left is the title name of the CAD file. It's untitled, and you're going to have to title that to start off with. So here you can see in the top left, you can see a few different names across the interface, and you can click on File and you can go Save or Save As. If you haven't saved it yet, you'll go to Save As, and you're going to specify where you want to save this folder. I'm going to save mine here on YouTube tutorials. So I'm going to click on the file name down here, and I'm going to use all capitals and put it right in tutorial file. And down here, you want to always use on the PLN, which is what it is by default. There is some other ways to save it, but it's not applicable for anyone working for iDesign Residential. So PLN, you're going to save it as that. And I always put capital letters because when I document in the CAD file, I always use capital letters anyway. So why not use capitals for the title name as well? And I'm just going to press save now. And straight away in the top left, you can notice that folder name, that file name has been updated to tutorial file. And now every time you press save, if you find where that folder is, see, I can see it's been saved there now, and you've got the time and the date here. So you can see if that's updating or not. Down the bottom, you can see 7:56, up here at 7:56. And every time I press save, that's gonna update each time. Okay, and ArchiCAD does automatically update every few minutes anyway, every 5 minutes or so. So if you have a bug or something wrong with the CAD file and it just automatically closes, then you'll just click on your ArchiCAD symbol and reopen, and it'll prompt you to click on the last CAD file you had open, and then you can open it back up, and then you can press save. So that's a good thing about ArchiCAD, is it does automatic savings. But it's a good habit to just get in the habit of saving anyway. Like if you're going to stop and go for a lunch break or something, just press save and so forth. So once you've saved that to a folder, up here on the right hand side, you've got you can minimize that screen or maximize it. You can totally close it, or you can close it up here with the cross. And if you haven't recently saved it, when you click on that, it's going to prompt you to save it, and that's when you would go ahead and save it. But if you don't save it, then you could lose that work. So make sure if it prompts you and you've forgotten to save it manually, that you would save it when it does prompt you. And I'm just going to show you now. Now, because I've recently saved that, it hasn't prompted me to save it again. And that's all for this tutorial session.